Spanning much of the western part of South America, the Andes are home to some of the world's most magnificent birds, from exquisite hummingbirds to fabulous flamingos. This beautifully illustrated large format book celebrates the splendor and extraordinary diversity of Andean birds and the habitats they depend on. It draws on the latest findings from the field and sheds light on the lush alpine and forested terrains that make this such a rich and plentiful environment. With illuminating essays that share invaluable perspectives from some of the region's leading bird conservationists, Birds of the Tropical Andes takes readers from the Pacific coast to the jungles of the Amazon, crossing peaks and high plains in search of spectacular bird life. This stunning book is lavishly illustrated with a wealth of photographs. It tours the vast array of habitats that comprise the Andean mountains. It covers every major ecosystem and its abundant bird life. It profiles representative species, including the rarest and most sought after. And it discusses the region's unique geology and indigenous culture. It is a must for birders, ecotravelers, and armchair naturalists. Come and explore a spectacular photographic guide to the birds and biodiversity of the tropical Andes. Birds of the Tropical Andes by Owen Deutsch and Michael Parr.